Gene had to be next, right? This is an awesome one as well. Once you get his hair... Oh, hi, Linda. As I was saying, once you get his hair at the back there, this really starts to come together. I think Gene is possibly encapsulated by his hair. Obviously his smile and his eyes. Well, just get it right and it looks good. Does that make sense? That's terrible advice. Gene's name is Eugene. Did you know that? I didn't. I hadn't thought about it before. Of course it's Eugene. It's like a shortened version, isn't it? Of, Genie Weenie. Gene face. Jeans, denim jeans, blue jeans. Two jeans, Genie jeans. Okay, I've decided it's his mouth. That's definitely his most distinguishing feature. It's so characterful, it's Gene. He is a keyboardist, and he's a prankster, and he's got good relationships with his family. He goes to Wagstaff School. And did you know the guy who does Eugene's voice is also called Eugene? Alright? I was tempted to draw Gene in his burger costume that he uses to promote the restaurant, because that's really fun. Maybe I will do that. If you leave a comment down below saying you want that, then maybe I'll do it. But I don't want to do it if you don't want it. In the show, I get the impression that Gene is closest to his mum. What do you think? I kind of feel that relationship is special there. Anyway, here we are. We're doing the inside of his mouth now, that kind of browny reddy colour that we did the other ones in as well. Lovely big pink tongue. He's really coming together now. Let's go do his light yellow t-shirt. But I'm going to do it bright yellow because I like bright yellow better. That's my picture, so there. And I think we're almost there. There he is. Dry Gene. See you next time.